Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow fluff using marshmallows. First, you'll need about 10 ounces of marshmallows and 2 tablespoons of water. Combine these in a microwave-safe bowl or a double boiler. Heat them gently, stirring frequently, until the marshmallows are fully melted and the mixture is smooth. This initial step is crucial for achieving that perfect, airy texture. Once melted, transfer your warm marshmallow mixture to a stand mixer. Now, add about 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This helps stabilize the fluff and gives it a better texture. Whip the mixture on high speed for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. You'll see it transform, becoming much lighter, whiter, and significantly increasing in volume. Next, with the mixer still running, gradually add 1 cup of powdered sugar. This sweetens the fluff and helps achieve the desired consistency. Then, mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic, delightful flavor. Continue whipping until the marshmallow fluff is wonderfully thick, glossy, and holds its shape beautifully. It should be light and spreadable. Your homemade marshmallow fluff is now ready to enjoy. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect for sandwiches, desserts, or even as a dip. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This delicious fluff is incredibly versatile, so get creative with how you use it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.